So guys, check out this channel, Lost Legacy. It has only uploaded 32 videos and it already has 218,000 subscribers. And guys, if you look at its videos, almost all of them have millions of views. For example, one of its videos alone has 4 million views. And guys, 4 million views are more than enough for any channel to get monetized. So clearly, this channel is already earning pretty well just from these views. Now guys, making videos like this is actually very easy and you can do it very quickly. You don't really need to do much. All you need is one tool. I'll show you two methods. Both are powerful, but the first method is easier, can be done in just a few clicks, and delivers amazing results. The first thing you do is open ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, you'll need 2 master prompts. Don't worry about creating them yourself. I've already prepared both for you, and you can find the links in the description. Simply open them. I'll open it now. You'll see a document with both master prompts fully written out. These prompts are quite long and very detailed. Now, what we do is copy the first prompt completely, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it. Press enter, and ChatGPT will generate 15 high engaging ideas for you. These aren't normal ideas. They are very high quality, highly engaging concepts. From these, choose any idea you like. For example, if none of the ideas appeal to you, you can type, "Give me 10 more ideas," and ChatGPT will instantly provide 10 more high engagement ideas. Once you select one, like the 7th idea, copy it. Paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate the full video script in just a few seconds. This is really powerful. So guys, now we have the video scene script ready, so we can start creating the video. Now, I'll tell you the first method to make it, which is really easy. So guys, you just need to copy your script. I'll show you an example by copying only the starting paragraph. After copying, you need to go to a website called Ooi AI. And guys, I'll put the link in the description so you can directly come here and start creating. By the way, guys, it's a very powerful website. It has lots of great image and video models. Even the new models are really good. So now I'll tell you what to do to generate the video. You just need to upload your script. So I'll upload my script here. After uploading, you don't even need to write a text prompt. This AI automatically does everything for you in just a few clicks. Now you just need to click on Style. After that, you'll see there are 149 different styles here. You can see how good the styles are, like 2D, 3D cinema, and many more. You can freely check them out and have fun. Even Minecraft style is available here. All styles are really amazing. You can see whatever you want, but for now, we need the Stickman style. So we'll simply select this style called webcomic. Once selected, we don't have to do anything else. We just press enter. As soon as we press enter, our workspace workflow will automatically start. And guys, a new page will open, and on the side, you'll see a chatbot agent. The agent will automatically analyze everything. We don't have to do anything, just a click. Now, if you want, you can manually tell it about the video in the chat box. Although it will do everything automatically, you can still provide input. For now, it's asking about video duration, aspect ratio, and dialogue language. We'll simply set it to short animation because we don't want a long one right now. If you want, you can make it longer. And if we're making it for YouTube, we'll keep it horizontal. For long form, the language we'll set to English. After doing all this, we confirm and continue. The agent will analyze it again, and in a few minutes, it will prepare our script. Then it will ask for a review. If you want, you can make changes. You just need to tell the agent. Otherwise, you can review the script. For now, I won't make any changes because it looks perfect. I'll simply click please continue. After continuing, our agent will start processing and automatically generate the voiceover and everything. And guys, the best part is that it does everything automatically. Our character will be generated and you can review it. You can also upload your own image here. You can review, modify prompts, or do whatever you want. You can see there's models available like Nano Banana 2, Seedance, and many other models. Both image and video models are available. So guys, it looks great to me. I don't need to change the character, so I'll click satisfied and proceed to continue. Now the AI agent will start again. Now the details of our characters are ready. You can regenerate, edit, or download them. You can also upload your own character, but for now, this is fine. I'll simply click satisfied, please continue. After this, it will start generating our scene. The bedroom has been generated and it looks perfect. I'll again click satisfied, continue. Now it has generated photos of the entire scene from all angles. You can regenerate or change anything if you want. Since it looks good to me, I'll just continue. Now guys, it will ask us whether we want to generate a storyboard and which models we want for the video. So here you can also select Sora too if you want, but I want to try Seedance 2.0. I'll set it to Pro 720 pixels. When it asks for the storyboard plan, I'll choose grind image and then confirm and continue. After that, it will start generating our storyboard again. I'll then click satisfy, please continue. Now guys, it will ask us to animate. Our entire storyboard has been generated. So you can simply click satisfied, generate all storyboard. And guys, finally, our video will be generated. Now you can make any changes if you want, otherwise just click preview final video to watch your video. Guys, finally, here your video will appear. And guys, now let's check the results.
Speak.
Operation Black Veil is compromised. They're asking for you.
Who's they?
The ones we don't officially acknowledge.
I'll need access to everything. Full logs, satellite, financial trails, no filters.
You'll have it.
And jurisdiction?
You are the jurisdiction.
So guys, as you can see, the result turned out really cinematic and super cool. Every single detail is clearly visible. The animation genuinely looks like it was done by a professional animator. The result is honestly insane. The lighting is impressive and the camera movements are amazing. So yeah guys, I'm really impressed with this. Now let's move to our second method. For that, copy your generated script. You can copy one paragraph or as many as you need. Then paste it into 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. Once generated, review it and download it. Now comes the second step. Generating visuals. Copy the second prompt from the document. It's quite long and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter and it will ask for a paragraph from your script. Paste the same paragraph you used for the voiceover. ChatGPT will generate all the image prompts needed for that paragraph. I'll show an example with 5 scenes, but you can generate all scenes similarly. Open your Flow account, log in, and create a new project. Select the image model, then copy the first scene's prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. Generate the image and you'll see high quality visuals. Repeat the process for the second scene, using the previous image as a reference to maintain character consistency. Continue this for all scenes. Once all images are ready, go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me video prompt for first 5 scenes." ChatGPT will provide video prompts for the starting scenes. Copy the first scene prompt, go back to Flow, add the first scene's image as a reference, paste the prompt, and generate the video for that scene. Review it. And repeat for all scenes. Once all videos are generated, download them. Finally comes editing. Use any software you like: Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, etc. Open a new project. Import all generated videos, add cuts, transitions, and arrange everything properly. Then add your voiceover and sync it with the visuals. After syncing, add captions, and finally export your video. And there you go guys, your video is ready. Here's the final video.
It's 2:17 a.m. when your secure phone vibrates once against the glass table. You don't check the screen. You already know. No one calls this line unless something has gone wrong. Or something is about to. You sit up in the dark. The city outside your window still alive in patches. Neon reflections on wet roads. A distant siren cutting through the quiet. Your apartment is expensive but forgettable. No personal photos. No clutter. Nothing that could be used to define you.
So guys, finally, we've generated video with both methods. If I'm being honest with you, I personally liked the first method more. The reason is, it was much easier to use, things were done very smoothly, and the overall quality felt better to me. In this second method, I had to do everything manually. Even the editing part. In the first one, the editing was handled automatically, and it even generated music and everything on its own. But here, we had to do it manually, so it felt a bit off. That's why I prefer the first method, and I'll go with that. And guys, one more important thing. Ooi AI is now officially launched. If you sign up using my invite code, you'll get 200 credits instead of 100, but you have to enter it within 24 hours. To use it, go to Avatar, redeem invite code, enter the code, confirm. I have added the website and code in the description and pinned comment. Make sure to try it out and claim your free credits before it expires.